To change permission to access phone in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then on settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find apps, and then select apps, tap apps more icon or three dot icon, and then tap permission manager, select phone, and then tap app you want to change permission, for example to, and then in phone access for this app, select option you want, deny, allow or deny. If you deny this permission, basic features of your device may no longer function as intended. Tap deny anyway if you sure. Tap the button. Now permission access was changed. To change, can tap app you want and then tap select option on phone access for this app. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.